Hello and welcome to today's video. Get ready to dive into the diverse and delicious world of Turkish breads, a true culinary adventure that celebrates tradition, flavor, and creativity. Today, we're staging an exciting showdown between some of Turkey's most iconic homemade breads. It's a friendly competition to explore their unique textures, flavors, and even how they're made. Not only will we taste these incredible breads, but I'll also share some baking tips, tricks, and secrets to help you recreate these masterpieces in your own kitchen. Which one will win your heart? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with bazlama, a soft, fluffy flatbread that's a staple in many Turkish households. Originating from rural Anatolia, this bread is often cooked on a griddle or in a pan, and it's as versatile as it is delicious. The key to a perfect bazlama is hydration. The dough should be soft and moist to give it that pillowy texture. Here's a tip: always let the dough rest for at least an hour before cooking. This helps it rise and become airy. One of my favorite ways to enjoy bazlama is simply with a spread of butter or even dipping it into olive oil with a sprinkle of oregano. Let's take a bite. It's warm, fluffy, and so comforting. Perfect for breakfast or as a side with stews and soups. Next up we have Somun Ekmek, or the classic Turkish loaf bread. This is the bread you'll find on almost every Turkish dining table, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The magic of Somun Ekmek lies in its simplicity: flour, water, yeast, and salt. But the result is anything but ordinary. The crispy crust contrasts beautifully with the soft and airy interior, making it ideal for dipping into soups or spreading with jams and butter. A quick baking tip: start with a high oven temperature to achieve a perfectly golden crust, then lower the heat to ensure the bread is fully cooked inside. This is the ultimate comfort bread. Its versatility makes it a staple in Turkish homes. Now let's talk about a bread that's steeped in tradition, Ramazan Pidesi. This special bread is made exclusively during the holy month of Ramadan, and it's truly a treat to behold. The hallmark of Ramazan Pidesi is its soft, airy interior and golden crust, adorned with sesame and nigella seeds. It's shaped by hand, with the iconic diamond pattern created using fingertips. Here's a fun tip: brush the dough with a mix of yogurt and egg before baking to get that gorgeous golden sheen. This bread is absolutely divine, perfect for breaking your fast during Ramadan or simply enjoying as a snack. Next, we have Yufka, a paper-thin flatbread that's a true labor of love. Traditionally made in Turkish villages, Yufka is rolled out so thin you can almost see through it. What makes Yufka unique is its longevity. It's often prepared in large batches and stored for weeks. To enjoy it fresh, you can rehydrate it by sprinkling it with water before using it as a wrap or in layered dishes like börek. Pro tip: add a small brush of butter when heating yufka on a pan for extra flavor and crispiness. It's light, slightly chewy, and pairs perfectly with savory fillings. A true Turkish classic. Now it's time for the showdown. We have our 4 contenders: bazlama, Somun Ekmek, Ramazan Pidesi, and Yufka. Each has its own story, texture, and flavor, so let's compare them side by side. Bazlama is perfect for breakfast. Somun Ekmek shines as an everyday staple. Ramazan Pidesi is a festive treat, and Yufka is unmatched in its versatility. Honestly, I can't pick a single winner. They're all so unique and delicious in their own ways. Turkish breads truly are a celebration of tradition, creativity, and flavor. I hope this video inspires you to try making one or all of these breads at home. Which bread would you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next culinary adventure. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy baking!